Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the intrusion detection system using Python. So this will be the complete web page. Okay, let's click on the registration section. So this will be the registration page, and now click on the login button. So it will open the login page. This is the about us section and our team section. Let's scroll up and click on login button. So user have to enter the email ID and password and then click on login button. So it will open the home page where user have to enter the packet details like durations, select protocol type, select service type, source flag. User have to enter all those details and then click on the check packet. So it will detect and recognize the intrusion detection. So let's enter the detail. I'm just giving the demo details and then click on check packet. So it will detect like normal packet and result is okay. Okay, let's enter duration, select protocol type, select service type, select packet flag, source byte, destination bytes, packet land, packet wrong fragment. Let's enter all the details. After that we have to click on the check packet button. So model will load and detect like it is normal packet. Let's open the training code. This is notepad file, like import library reading data. Okay, this will be the complete code with the graph. DDoS probe. This will be the graph, like with different algorithm. Data preprocessing, bar chart. Let's open the training folder. Scroll down. KNearest algorithm. It will show the log loss and the accuracy score. Gaussian neighbors algorithm, decision tree. It will show the accuracy score, decision tree accuracy score. Random forest with the accuracy score. Logistic regression. This will be the complete training code with different algorithm. This is the training data. Private. It will show all the tuples. Protocol type, service flag, source byte, DST bytes. Let's open the project. User have to enter the duration, select protocol type, select service type, select packet flag. Let's check with the training data. So let's enter the training data on project array, source byte, destination byte, packet land, packet wrong fragment. Let's enter all the data. Like enter all this 0 and packet count will be 229. Packet SRE count will be 10. Packet error rate, packet R error rate, packet same SRV rate and packet disRV rate. So it will found that DDoS attack found in that packet, which with the user entered that particular values. So this will be the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and you can see the processing label DDoS, and this will be the result with the input values. This is the complete project. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.